What's up guys, welcome back. So I told you in the last video what we work on is the button here, and that's what we're going to do, but I also found a small flaw that we're going to be debugging. Notice when I just refresh the page, the time here of 170 is at the top, but we should see the least time left first. That's how it should be sorted. And look, this is less time than that, but this is not top of this. So we're going to dig into why that's happening. But first, let's handle this button. Or this icon. We're going to turn it into a button actually, and that's what's going to make it do the cool stuff. So I think I actually just do this and it'll give a nice little effect on it. At least that's how it was working with the other ones. So I just have a space at the end. Cool. At the bottom here anyway. What the heck is that? How are we doing the footer? footer. Oh, I wonder if the footer is... Oh, you know what? That's probably a button right here. Well, that's weird. I was not expecting it to do, but now that I think of it, I guess that makes sense. So we're doing this button here. I wanted to do a button like that, but I guess they wrap in this footer tab. Does footer tab just make it work? Let's hack it a little bit. Not hack it, but use footer tab where you wouldn't expect it. What if I put footer tab around this? Ish, look, it cuts off this a little bit and doesn't actually add anything. Alright. Scratch this idea, guys. We will just leave the icon as is. Is it actually a little bit cut off? I can't tell. Or if that's just the way it is. I think it's just the way it is. I think it's okay. Okay. So now let's tackle this debugging problem. Okay, so right here, time left, we're sorting it, L time left, M time left. The first thing I'm going to do is just console log what the picker says. So let's see, we should be seeing time left, L time left. So that should match up. Let's make sure it is sorting. Sorting by time left. So it should go into this if statement. Okay, looks good. So it actually is sorting by time left, but for some reason this above this. Oh, you know what? Time left is a string. It's not an actual value. Well, okay, it's not in minutes since. Okay, so this is the problem, I think. We're comparing strings like this, which was a very dumb thing to do. Instead, we need to compare the times, which we actually need to look at the moment.js to do a comparison. I'm just going to try this. This might not work at all. I'm just going to do mTime because that's our moment object. Our moment object, it might have a comparable by default. And it does look like it has a comparable. That's exactly what I wanted to, yes. Okay, so that looks like it was it. So if you didn't catch what the problem was, time left is this string here. And so we were doing string comparisons. So this string value, like here, was less than that string value. But what we needed to look at is the time value itself. And the time value is actually stored in this object here, which has a basically a comparison, looks like it's built in, so we didn't even have to do that. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna do some research, guys, on I want to make this button slightly I want it to do something when I click on it, so we need to give a response to the user so the user can see that they've made a bid. You can see the number go up. That's good, but like there's no response that you clicked on it. I want to kind of give like something. So yeah, that's what we'll do in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you then.